What is going on, guys? So this is a little introduction for you guys. If you guys are new to my channel and don't know what type of setup I'm running on my Mustang 5.0 here. So basically I'm going to give you guys a little bit of an intro of how I made this car this loud. So you guys do have any questions about how I made it this loud when you watch this video. So here you go. This is basically me giving you a rundown of what I've done to it to make it this loud. So here you guys go. So first thing I went ahead and did was when I got the car about a month later, these cars come with a big old resonator right here in the middle of the car right here, right under your driver's seat basically, kind of by under the transmission. So it comes with that factory resonator, which is really big and it really restricts sound. So the first thing I went ahead and did was I bought the X-pipe from SVE, and then I paired that with the Roush axle back, which is a very popular axle back for these S550 5.0s. So I went ahead and did those two things, and because I didn't want to go with the full exhaust, because you have to pay like close to $1,000 and more. So I just went ahead and went with that, which was like about $500-600 out the door. So basically you don't have like a full exhaust, but you have an axle back and an X-pipe, and yeah, that made it sound really good when I put that on there, and then that really made it open up the car and open up the engine sound really. And then a few months later, that's when I went ahead and decided to go with long tube headers. So I went ahead and went with the American Racing catless headers, 1 7/8, and once I threw that on there and paired that with the X-pipe and the Roush axle back, it's basically like a straight pipe all the way down, and that's what really made the car like way too loud. So even drive around, when I drive around I have to be really careful. It's super loud. So that's where I'm currently at with the car right now. American Racing catless headers, X-pipe, and a Roush axle back. Have a cold air intake, catch can there, and the headers are down there. If you can see them, headers, and then car is tuned. So it's tuned by Lund. So basically full bolt-ons besides manifold. That's about it. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Without further ado, this is how you make your neighbors hate you. Another way to make your neighbors hate you by letting your car idle out in front of your driveway. Damn, my neighbors are actually gonna hate me now after that video. start your car past 10 o'clock at night, your neighbors are really gonna hate you, especially if you have a loud car. All right, guys, that's gonna be a wrap for the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys like the video, drop a like on it. Make sure to hit that subscribe button to stick around to the channel. We got more stuff coming for you guys. If you guys have any suggestions or any video you guys would like to see, just put them down in the comments below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.
I'm on a new level. 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 Brought me a new shovel. Put these niggas in the dirt. Chain with the new bezel. All my niggas put in work.